On top Inside Edo today, we bring una correct informate on top Governor Obaseki plan for education sector. Obaseki don put plans for ground to carry sports go public primary schools for Edo. Obaseki don talk say digital training go soon waka go public junior secondary school. On top Edo basic education sector transformation, Edo best, and to make sure say sports starts for grassroots, na Governor Godwin Obaseki don take put plans for ground to organize football match for public primary schools wey dey the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State. Obaseki tok dis one wen e host pupils wey come from Ekagwari Primary School wey come represent Edo State for Channels International Soccer Competition wen dem just finish so. He tok say body sweet am well well on top how the pupils take try for the competition, and na dis one na make am promise 1 million to the pupils and 500,000 to Goodluck Destiny wey return missing wallet wey e see during the competition. We wey can see governor tok say on top im agenda for im administration to develop sports for schools, na making one build football pitch for the school, and e go organize football match for boys and girls wey dey for the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State. SUBEB tok say the primary school pupils go represent the state for Channels International Soccer Competition because dem don first win the football competition before. Dem tok say na Benin Republic na win dis year competition. Obaseki don tok am say digital training go soon waka go public junior secondary schools. Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say im go carry digital training go public junior secondary schools for Edo State to make sure say the ogbonge development wey dey shele for public primary school waka well well for secondary school. Obaseki tok dis one when members of Edo Best Digital Teachers Forum come visit am for Government House for Benin City. Governor Obaseki tok say the good learning process wey dey primary school go waka go junior secondary school so that teaching go dey easy for the teachers. Obaseki tok say dem ready to work with State Universal Basic Education Board SUBEB for Edo to create special junior secondary school so that teaching go waka well. He tok say dem go put ogbonge things for the junior secondary school per ward with the needed facilities like workshop and laboratories wey go fit prepare the students for future. He tok say e good for government to make life better for children. Obaseki come hail the digital teachers for their support on top basic education sector, and he promise say im go always dey support them. Chairman for Edo Best Digital Teachers Forum, Eson John, tok say members of the forum come Government House come update Governor Godwin Obaseki on top their mission and their vision, as e be say the team don fit carry technology teaching go schools for Edo State. Now here we see am reach on top the plans wey Governor Godwin Obaseki get for education sector for Edo State. Make una no forget say na T-Life Media na bring this ogbonge informate come give una on top wetin shele inside Edo today. My name na Mary Edoleye.